everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is Christmas Countdown collaboration video. These videos for this collaboration will be uploaded every Friday. Yes, that's a lot. Every Friday. November 17th till Christmas. I will be doing lots of fun DIYs and other things. Christmas Day, I will teach you how to redo your Christmas centerpiece to make it a fun New Year's centerpiece for your New Year's celebration. Whether that celebration is one or a few. For me, maybe just two. But anyway, I would like to thank our host, Brian from B&D Crafts and More, and Thelma's Creations and More, for inviting me to this collaboration. And please go watch their videos and subscribe to their channels. We're all here to support each other and reach our goal on YouTube. So please give them a like and subscribe. And talking about that goal, my goal is to reach my first 1,000 subscribers. And I would love to have you join and subscribe. So you can learn, here on Buckeye Girls Reads, you can learn different recipes, different DIYs, and decorating for your home. So a lot of different things in one channel. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, this was one of my centerpieces I used for Christmas this year. And I'm going to just take out anything that says Christmas. So the gifts has got to go. Because this is not going to be a Christmas arrangement anymore. We're going to repurpose this and use it for New Year's. So that means poinsettias has to go. Bye-bye, poinsettias. And I know you're saying it's looking sad. It is looking sad. Okay, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep that ornament in there or not. I'm going to add some roses, because roses is all year. And will definitely work for New Year's. And since this is going to be an arrangement that'll probably be just for New Year's Eve, I don't have to make sure it's really permanent, because it's just for a one-night occasion. Okay. Then I'm going to add some fun, which will be these for the back. I'm going to clip these coming out the back. Okay, and I will be back. Okay, let's do 2020. When you repurpose your Christmas arrangement, make sure you get all the Christmas elements out of the arrangement and replace them with non-Christmas elements. That's the biggest thing about repurposing your arrangement. You want to get all the Christmas stuff out of that arrangement. And all I'm doing here is these are skewers, and I'm just adding a little bit of, well, it's not even hot glue. This is cold temperature glue on painted 2021 numbers, because we're going to be getting rid of 2020 and in with 2021. Don't we all remember when we thought 2020 and 2021 was forever away? Well, I'll show you what I do with these next. Here's our arrangement, and all I'm going to do is put 20, 21, which I guess I could space it over here a little more. In our arrangement. And I didn't know, I was debating on putting that ornament back in. Yes, I think it should go. Since it's pearls, it can go, you know. Glam is all year. Just ask my friends. But that will be our centerpiece for New Year's Eve. And you will, in another video, you will see exactly how I will style the table for our repurposed 2021 sleigh. So it'll be a Winter Wonderland New Year's Eve party.